Hey, my name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country. Now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. Now in this video, I want to talk to you about something that's really interesting. I found a video that I will put in a link in the description below, okay? And I want you to go and watch it. This video was made in Canada by fancy reporters, you know, people who have the money to do nice, good quality reporting. And I highly recommend you watch this video. This video is about car dealerships were tested for how honest they were. 13 out of 16 dealerships failed miserably. And this is exactly why I do what I do. I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked. I give you all the secrets, all the know-how, all the things that happen in the back room of the dealerships because I used to work there. I'm spilling all the beans. I'm telling you exactly what you need to do to find yourself the best possible deal and how not to get screwed by the dealerships. Because number one priority of dealerships is to take as much of your money as humanly possible. They will do anything. They will say anything to take as much of your money as humanly possible. 99% of dealerships are shitbags that do not deserve to be in business. Out of 100 dealerships that you will contact, if you get one decent dealership that's not trying to screw you over, you got very, very fucking lucky. So I highly recommend you watch this video. I know this is something really short, but you know, just watch that video below in the link below. It's fucking amazing. Huge thank you for watching this video. Click here to subscribe, watch one of those two videos, and click the share button below the video. Did you enjoy the video? Did you find it useful? Do you think you're gonna save some money with it? Abso-fucking-lutely you will. Share this video on Facebook with somebody else. This is Dan Strong with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out and I'll see you in another video.